Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see something special on value added services. Friends, we all know some value added services refer to the non-core service offered in the telecom sector. All services apart from standard voice calls are called value added services, and these services can be used to promote an operator primary business. And you all know how Indian telecom operators are fighting with each other to promote their brand. Recently, Vodafone Idea changed its brand name into VI and promoting it vigorously. Friends, and Jio and Airtel also giving some more preference to promotions with around 500 crores, 300 crores, like that. And with this, which company is giving more value added services, and we are expecting mobile value added market is expected to reach 167.38 billions by 2027, witnessing market growth at a rate of 13.42% in the forecasting period of 2020 to 27. And why I am telling all these means, leading mobile value added service companies are Vodafone, Airtel, and another one is On Mobile Global Limited. Friends, which looks very attractive, and up to now it given good returns from this year onwards, and we are picking this share from today. See friends, On Mobile is an Indian telecom company headquartered in Bangalore, and it offers products such as videos, tones, games, and contents. And based on current deployments, On Mobile has over 100 million active subscribers and an addressable base of more than 1.68 billion mobile users across several geographic. Friends, as of 2020, On Mobile acquired 6 companies in order to expand their product line. In 2006, IT-Finity Mobile Software Solution, IT-Fiti, it acquires IT-Infinity. It's a mobile software company. And next, Telisma, speech recognition technology company. And in 2010, Dilithium Networks, it is a 3G video technology company. And in 2013, On Mobile acquires Livewire, which is a ringtone, ringback tones like company. And in 2018, Appland AB, one of the world's game and kids app club subscription service company, which was acquired by On Mobile. And recently in May 2020, On Mobile acquires 25% equity stake in AI powered visual retention leader Robo Incredible. Friends, by looking all these, On Mobile looking very strong for coming years. I am telling coming years. And upcoming IPL also one of the biggest digital promoting for new brands also, and we also corporate in that. And On Mobile collaborated with Samsung to build and manage its content ecosystem, and global leaders in mobile entertainment. On Mobile is one of the global leader, friends, and it has 99 customers across the globe and 900 million digital reach capacity. In 2019, Vodafone launches Kids Planet, an app with over 3000 contents for kids, including games, stories, songs, videos of popular characters amongst kids, which was developed by On Mobile Global. Friends, by looking all these, On Mobile Global looking very great for future perspective, and as per expected, mobile value added service market will grow. This stock also will grow, friends. And this is our view on Mobile Global. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you very much.